In this video, we will see together how not to mix neuf and nouveau. Neuf and nouveau. So neuf can be quite often mixed with nouveau, and I thought it might be important to spend a few minutes on them just to make sure that you understand the difference between the two. So the first one that we will discover is neuf. So the important thing with neuf is that it is used to define something that has just been done and hasn't been used. So this is really important. Remember, it has just been done and hasn't been used. Vous voudriez acheter un téléphone neuf ou un téléphone d'occasion? Vous voudriez acheter un téléphone neuf ou un téléphone d'occasion? So in that situation, for instance, it would not be possible to use nouveau. Not at all. That's the reason why we put neuf here. It has just been done and it was not used because it's totally new. Un téléphone neuf. Alors, keep in mind that in that case, this is the masculine singular form because it's connected to téléphone, and téléphone, it's masculine singular here. But if the word was a feminine word, we should put neuf in the feminine form, neuve. Same thing, if it was masculine plural, we should put the masculine plural form, neuf, with the S in the end. And if it was feminine plural, we should put neuve, feminine plural. So remember that this neuf will have to, well, be modified according to the gender of the word it is connected to. I just wanted to be nice and give you a feminine plural here. So, que penses-tu de mes chaussures? Elles sont toutes neuves. In that situation, it's connected to chaussures. Chaussure is a feminine word, and here you can see the plural form. So I will have to put neuf in the feminine plural form, neuve. Que penses-tu de mes chaussures? Elles sont toutes neuves. In that situation, we don't use nouvelle, because we will see that nouvelle will be used for a different context. So here, the shoes just been done, hasn't been used, they were not used. In that case, we go for neuve. So let's have a look at nouveau now. Nouveau. It is used to refer to something that has just appeared, arrived, or that is just available. Que penses-tu des nouvelles chaussures de Frédéric? Que penses-tu des nouvelles chaussures de Frédéric? And in that situation, we will go for nouvelles, because basically they just appeared, arrived. C'est les nouvelles chaussures. So we could not go for neuve. Que penses-tu des nouvelles chaussures de Frédéric? Let's take another example. Tu as eu le temps de discuter avec notre nouveau directeur? Same thing here. You need to go for nouveau directeur. You won't go for neuf, not at all. Tu as eu le temps de discuter avec notre nouveau directeur. So as we had for neuf, remember that nouveau will have to be modified according to the gender. In that situation, directeur is masculine singular, so it's nouveau. Nouvelle for the feminine, nouveau with the X in the end for the plural masculine, and nouvelle, E-L-L-E-S for the feminine plural.